Hello people of the world, welcome to my vlog. Today po pupunta kami sa downtown LA, particularly sa Fashion District. So medyo nakakaluwag-luwag, so I have $100, equivalent to 5,200 pesos to spend. So tingnan po natin kung ano mga mabibili ko dito, kung ano-ano lang. So follow me! Finally, we are here at downtown LA, Fashion District, between San Pedro and 11th Street. So excited na mag-shopping. This place called San Pedro Wholesale Mart. Well, here they pronounce it San Pedro, pero tayo mga Pilipino San Pedro. So, bahala na kayo mag-adjust kung anong gusto nyo itawag. So anyhow, I'm gonna show you some of the store na pwede nyo bilihan. Kaya guys, come with me. So ito yung store na may price na yung mga tinda nila. For example, 2 for $10. This is like $5. 3 for $10. May $5. May 2 for $15. So, nasa iyo kung pwede ka pa rin tumawad. Itong place na to, actually, it caters to plus sizes. This is one of my favorite store. Right now, they have a special. Nakita niyo po, $1 lang yung mga damit. So, ito yung mga paborito kong tindahan. Kasi yung size niya, kasya sa ating mga Asian. So everything here right now, we have a special. It's $1. It's like 52 pesos. So we'll see. So ito yung mga nabili ko. Kasi minsan pag pumasok ka sa loob ng store, ma-overwhelm ka. So sa loob ng store, meron sila mga dress na tagka $5. Ito all like $1. So, the only downside is kasi yung mga size ng mga special nila is small size. So kailangan yung mind mo, alam mo na kung kayo yung bibigay o parang kanino. So yun lang, isang store pa lang yan. So, itry ko na makapunta sa lahat ng store. So ito yung isang store na gusto ko kasi yung mga sizes nito pang teenager, pang bigit. So, pang bata actually. So, like for example, dito mga pang bata. Winter kasi ngayon kaya medyo ganito yung mga damit na binibenta nito. Like this one is only $5. Itong kiddo usually nasa Marshall, TJ Maxx, it's like $15. So, you save a lot. Hi guys, so this is my first video and I already have at least one guy who's saying that he's gonna follow me. So thumbs up. What's your name? JR. JR? Oh, nice to meet you. Moira. So I'll watch out for you, okay? Keep
Thanks JR, see you later.
Nakakatawa rin. lahat naman ng size dito karamihan large. Yun lang yung parang kung ano yung nilalabas nila from the store, yun lang yung sale. So ito daw is 3 for 10. So kaso yung size wala namang kasya sa akin kasi lahat large. So dito, hindi lang lahat puro pambabae. Meron ding mga stall na nagbibenta ng mga panlalaki. For example, this one, $5. So, not bad at all. Ito yung mga t-shirt sila. Ito yung mga t-shirt, $5. So, kung uuwi ka sa Pinas, is a good pasalubong. Mahilig kasi ako sa animal print eh, so mga birdie, $3. So, I don't know kung anong size ako, so I'm gonna get one medium and one large. Ito parang maliit, parang pang teenager size, so dalawa na lang bibili ko, pamimigay ko yung isa. Show ko lang. So I got one of each. Ito yung isa black. So, ito pwede sa Philippines din. Usually, pag bumibili kasi ako, I make sure na magagamit sa Philippines. Kasi nga sa lubong. So, like kung ano ko ng blouse, $3. So, 4 pieces is $12. It's a good buy, right? So, yung mga mahilig sa ganitong klase kasi dito nga winter, yung brand niya 36 silent 36.5. So ang tip ko lang, pag nandito ka sa downtown, bilihin mo yung brand, yung sa tindahan ko ano yung binibenta nila. For example, this one ay yung store nila. I guess sa kanila rin itong isa, tapos kanila din yung product. Ibig sabihin, either sila yung nag-i-import dito o sila nagmamanufacture. That way talaga mas mura. So yun lang. Meron din pambata dito, mga pajama. $5. This is one of our favorites, kami dalawa ng anak ko, kasi yung mga damit dito, may quality. Tsaka sila talaga nagmamanufactured, actually paper crane and white or blue. Itong damit ito binibenta sa TJ Maxx at saka Marshall. So, sa Marshall, it costs 15 to 20. Pag dito ka, you can buy for $5. So, good deal. So, like this, ito kasi, like ito, $10 lang. So, minsan, binibenta nila ito ng 2 for $15. So, and minsan they have variety. So, ngayon ito lang yung isa. So, for me, kasi hindi ko na kailangan masyado ng ganito. Yung goal ko talaga pumunta dito is to buy something na for the Philippines. So, for now, pass muna ako dito. Hi, so I got this pants on this store. I don't know, it's called Kankan. It's you go to like TJ Maxx again in Marshall, it will cost like $20 to 30. Here is like $10. But then whatever the sizes they have in the table, that's it. So I got these two pants for, I don't know if it's gonna fit me, but oh, you had this style. So with all the tag, Los Angeles, Can. So they also have this in Nordstrom. So I got two for $20. Not bad at all. Guys, so this is the end of my shopping spree and Fashion District, and as soon as we go home, papakita ko sa inyo lahat kung kaano nabili ko sa $100, which is 5,200 pesos. Right, see you later! Hello guys, we're back at home. So, ito na lahat yung mga pinamili ko na worth $100 sa downtown LA, sa Fashion District. So, let's start off sa ito sa hat na ito. Kasi medyo patapos na rin yung winter. Well, not yet, pero parang patapos na. So, dati mga 5. So, nabili ko to ng $2 something. So, and also this one, hat din, sombrero din. And then, ito yung nabili ko sa mga accessory store na ICCO. So, ito, pantali sa buhok. Lahat ito $1. So, this is $10 including this one that I'm wearing. And then, yung isang store, yung unang-una kong pinuntahan, ito, binili ko. Tagpo $1 lang siya. Yung brand niya, Jompi. Jompi is made in the USA. The reason I love to go to that place kasi yung mostly ng damit nila is dito gawa sa Amerika mismo. So, ito yung kanilang etiketa. Hopefully, makita nyo. Yan. And then, next one is, ito kasali pa sa Jompi. So, 6 pieces na blouse yun. So, $6. And then, also, may binili akong mga jeans. These two jeans is $10 each. Ang brand niya is Can. Bali, binibenta to sa mga Nordstrom or TJ Maxx, Marshall. So, it's like $30, $29. Ganun. So, I got two. So, this is $20. And on the other store, I got these jeans. They're selling it for $9.99. But then, sabi ko, kukuha ko tatlo. So, kung pwede, 3 for $20. So, pumayag naman. So, I got these jeans for 3 for $20. And, yung isang store, called Reflex. So, I got all this shirt for $3 each. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung mga shirt. The thing in downtown is, kapag nandun ka, you get overwhelmed. So, you need to focus on ano ba talagang hinahanap mo, ano ba talaga yung kailangan mong damit. So, ako kasi in general, parang it's not actually for me. Parang papasalubong ko lang sa Philippines. So, yung hinahanap ko, yung budget friendly. So, yan. So, I got this blouse. Itong blouse na to. This is actually for my mom. So, this is $2. So, this is also made in USA. So, yan. And then, itong isa, is like this. It's like a sweater. So, ang brand niya is, Skies Are Blue. So, this is like $5. And then, ito para sa akin talaga to. So, ito, $5 each. Yung brand. This is from the place called Naked Zebra. I guess they have a lot of stock. So, binibenta na nila ng murang. So, this is $5. So, I got $5 each. So, $10. And then, yung isang store, $3, including this one na blouse. Like animal print is like birds. So, mainly kasi ako sa animal print. So, I had to get one for myself. And then, I had 2 dress. So, I got, one is black. This is striped black. But the other one is black naman yung kanyang background. This is, $3 each. So, including this is like $12. And last but not the least, I got the shirt. A black shirt. For $5. So, anyhow, thank you for watching. Please, please, please do subscribe on my channel and like my video, and try my best to answer all your question or comment. And thank you, and see you on my next vlog. Bye.